Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix something went wrong, please try again later on Reddit. You've come to the right place. So if you have this problem, I will give you two main ways to solve it. So first of all, you need to go to your Play Store. Here you need to find Reddit. Click on Reddit, and here, if instead of open icon you will see update, you need to update your Reddit application. Also, if it's not help, you need to click on settings, find apps, and here you need to find the Reddit app, click on it, and find storage and cache. And here you need to clear your storage and also clear your cache. And that's all. After that, the Reddit will be working. If it's not help, maybe it is a problem with your internet connection or with Reddit server. So just check your internet connection, and if everything is fine, it means that it is Reddit problem and you just need to wait a little bit. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.